Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. I got a beauty for you today. I've had black pickups and I don't like them, but man, I love these black Peterbilts. It's just the classic look. Extended hood Pete, stand-up sleeper. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's a new 2022 389 extended hood, 78-inch stand-up sleeper. We don't do generally speaking, we don't do the fairings on the sleeper. So if you say no fairings, this is what you get. You can see it's just this short little trim piece right here. So that's it right there. So that just kind of finishes it off really nice. So you don't have the big fairings there. They just tend to get beat up. But if you're going for fuel mileage or more fuel mileage, we do need to do that. It's a 280 wheelbase. It's a Cummins X15. I believe this one's a 605 2050 torque. We added 2 extra lights on the top. We haven't done a bunch of other lights on it. Added 2 extra cab lights and cleared them all. 14-inch drop visor. Get the new aero mirrors on it. Very, very functional. They don't quite look the traditional look, but they are much better. You'll be much happier with them. I'm not going to do a complete, full, in-depth video on this one. You guys have all seen the Cummins and everything. I don't need to pop the hood. That's a standard 20-inch drop front bumper. Disc brakes all the way around. Get the air ride steer axle. You can see there. 11R 22.5 wheels and tires. The round holes. We're having such a hard time getting trucks right now that we're just kind of doing those extra lights, visor, and a train horn, and then getting them out here on the lot. And this one is an actual sold unit. This one he did a little bit different. We did 4 straps on the fuel tank. No chicken lights on this one yet. It's all pre-wired, ready to go. Guy will put on his own. We've got the toolbox access steps, catwalk. And there's the S-bar heater. That's the exhaust for that. And got your positive and negative post. Goes straight to the battery. So if you had to jump anybody or had to jump a reefer motor or a pony motor. Michelin XDN2s on the rear. 336 gears. Full lockers. Front, rear, and inner diff lock. You can tell by that hose right there. That tells you we got full lockers. We always do the outboard mounted 5th wheel. I like the Huck bolted frames better than I like the bolted frames. They're just much tighter and stay tight. They never loosen. Peterbilt Low air leaf suspension. Just a gorgeous truck. It's tough to beat black. 6 load lights. Big U pattern there. And then we put the CB antenna and the radio antenna on the back of the sleeper. Get it off the cab, get it off the mirrors. Looks much, much better. Platinum interior. Take a look inside. Get her fired up here. It's been a little cold. Okay, it's got tilt telescope steering. This one is, we call it full gauges, as full as we can get. Some of you guys will leave me comments, that's not full gauges. No, it's as full as we can get. Because these 3 are for the lockers. Your inner axle, your forward, and your rear axle. Air slide, 5th wheel, PTO, and a suspension dump here. we've been doing the PTO because a lot of guys said it's the easiest PTO they've ever put in. You just put it on a tranny, get the gears lashed up, and run your wire and you're done. AM, FM, Bluetooth, satellite, 18-speed tranny, factory installed CB. Nice thing about these Ultra cabs is you do get these extra pockets. 7 inches more in height in here over like if this was a flat top cab with a flat top sleeper. A double bunk there. We got a fridge, and then we put the business center in. Yep, we got the business center in this one. Those seem to be pretty popular. Got windows on each end, so you can get some circulation in here and a ton of storage back here. And one thing nice about the double bunk is you can pull that mattress out if you want, and you can just flip that up like it is now. I'm not going to take it down, but that's a ton of storage up in there. So I just thought I'd make a quick video on this one since it is sold. Just give you an idea. Just a few of these that we're kicking out right now. We're not doing a whole bunch of custom stuff right now. That stuff's all really fun and all really cool, but it's when you're having trouble getting trucks, we just kind of need to roll through them. And these things, as quick as we're getting them in, they're going out. So we're not spending a lot of time on them, other than PDI, get some extra lights on the top and the visor, and get them out here. So just a classic black, beautiful truck. It's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Centers, Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, on YouTube and Instagram. Please like and subscribe. I always forget to say that, and I probably have cost myself a lot of likes and a lot of subscribes. And if you would, I guess I'm supposed to say that. So 970-691-3877. Call or text, and you can email me as well. couchk, COUCHK @rushenterprises.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.